I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some?
Hi loves, how are ya? I missed you so much. But today I'll show you how to make this elegant outfit that you can do in minutes. So begin by brushing our hair and make a parting on the side you like. Then we want to brush the rest of our hair backwards. Make with all that hair a low ponytail. Make sure to leave some hair out to make this updo looking effortless. Make a ponytail with all that hair in the back, but on last time make sure to pull your hair only halfway through, fan it out and twist it like I'm showing. This will give us more volume to our bun. Then we want to tie the ends of our ponytail with a clear small elastic. Then we want to fan it out and tuck it into the elastic of the ponytail, the ends like I'm showing. Then make sure to hold this created bun with one hand, another one. Loosen a little bit of hair like I'm showing, making this loosened texture. Now we want to use some grips to fan it out and fix in place our bun. Also you want to pull it to make it effortless and give it some texture. Use some hairspray to fix it. Also I'll add my all-time favorite pearl grips. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this awesome looking elegant hairstyle. Guys, can you make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post an amazing hairstyle. Love you guys and I hope to see you soon. Mwah! Bye!
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame.